Hey there, crypto traders and investors. It's Rod with Pow Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth, your home for MJ Stocks, crypto assets, news, and interviews. It is Saturday. Happy Saturday, September 14th. Hope you're doing well. And in this video, we're going to take a look at XRP. We'll also take a quick look at XLM, but they're always very similar. So we'll just take a peek mostly at XRP. We'll do a chart update. We do have monthly inside bars, so a tightening range, and we are expecting a break at some point soon. This request came from a Pow Group private member, so we're going to jump into this right away. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should never buy or sell anything based on anything that I say or write. Also, if you're new, you can subscribe, tick the bell, all that good stuff. You'll be notified on any future videos or when I go live. You can also follow us over on X, formerly Twitter. Handle for that is @GroupPow. Going to be using that as my platform of choice going forward. So there's been some rumors saying that the SEC and Ripple could settle. I still think that post-judgment settlement makes a lot of sense. We could see Ripple IPO at some point in 2025. Gary Gensler has also been under investigation and basically was deeming everything a digital asset security, and that was very misleading of him. So he apologized. He put out a statement basically saying that, he didn't mean to create any kind of confusion. You have to wonder, like, why is he apologizing? Does he know that some news might be coming down the pipe? And as we know, Chuck Schumer and the Dems have been saying that they're working on crypto legislation, likely before the end of the year. And there's a good chance that they might want to get it done, whether it be, FIT 21 bill or something else. But there's a good chance that they might want to get something done before the elections so that they can win over the hearts of the American people, because they have been so hostile towards the industry, especially when the other side of the aisle is promising to make, crypto the hub of America, the crypto hub of the world, right? So I think that there's some very real possibility that we could see legislation at some point, coming in the next month or so before the elections. And then, in the elections, they're going to continue to pump MJ and crypto, like I've been saying for a while now, mostly crypto. I would think first, because we've been in a 4-year bull market and MJ's been in a 4-year bear market. But, I think that they're really going to pump crypto and MJ to gain young voters. So that'll bode well for crypto investors and traders. I think we're going to have an explosive end of the year here. Typically, Q4 is a good time for the stock market, and October, otherwise known as Uptober, followed by September, which is usually a down month. We're an election year as well. So, everything's pointing to a blow off top here into the end of the year. And I think we're going to see some serious movement on Bitcoin. I think we could see somewhere around 100 to 150K on Bitcoin before the end of this cycle. And then we should see it, kind of correct. And then that money should rotate into alts, and we should see full on alt season, in my opinion, over the next few months. And like I said, this Ripple versus SEC case ending would be huge. So there's so many catalysts coming. We'll take a look at XRP on the hourly time frame here. So it is an hourly bull flag. You can see here we've just been in an absolute, we're just a very strong uptrend here at the moment on the hourly time frame. And you can see here we're not even losing the EMA 12 on the hourly time frame. It's just higher lows and higher highs. This is one of the strongest hourly uptrends that you can see. And right now we're backtesting hourly EMA 12. But if we kind of ignore those little lower wicks there, we'll say that this could still potentially be an hourly bull flag. We are gearing up for an EMA 12 and 26 bear cross on the hourly EMAs. So if we do see this continuation up to around 61 cents would be the measured move. We need to break resistance there at 59.9 cents. And we would be seeing about a couple of pennies of a move up there on the hourly time frame. So momentum in the short term here, definitely favoring bulls. But on the daily time frame, we just had a daily EMA 12 and 26 bull cross, but no support all the way down to about 52 cents. So wouldn't be surprised if we did, top out somewhere around 61 cents and then come down, form a nice daily higher low. And we'll take a look here on the daily time frame. If we pull back, let's say into tomorrow, we'll want to maintain 56.9 cents, and then that's potentially a daily bull flag into tomorrow. So we have still over 22 hours left in this candle, so still a ways to go, but it's an inside bar here on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we did start the weekly bounce, so we're trying to get back into a weekly uptrend. We have our low, high the bounce, higher low. Now we're looking for the higher high. So resistance is there at 65 cents, 65.8 cents rather. So if we break 65.8 cents, then we're back in a weekly uptrend. We're in a daily uptrend as well. We have our low, high, higher low, and higher high. So then we need to get the weekly uptrend. That would be the next step. And then after that, monthly uptrends, because we're still in a monthly downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. So we'll want to see a break of these monthly inside bars. So we have 2 monthly inside bars in a row. So key resistance is going to be the high of last month at 64.3 cents. Break that, and then the monthly bounce is underway. And then we have, like I said, that level at 65.8 cents, and then a lack up to about 75 cents. So get over 65.8, and we could be heading up to around that 75 cent USD in a hurry. And if we take a look at the XLM chart, so it's very similar. We have our low, high, higher low, and higher high. EMA 12 and 26 bull cross playing out. Weekly time frame. So low, high of the bounce, higher low. Now we need the higher high. So key resistance on XLM is going to be 10.3. And then on the monthly time frame, whoops, that's 3 month. On the monthly time frame, you can see here 2 monthly inside bars as well. Actually, we did dip below last month. My daughter's crying in the background. Hopefully, it's not too distracting. But yeah, we are gearing up for a monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross as well. That just happened on XRP, but we haven't seen that follow through yet. I think it's really any time now. I think we're going to see a massive move on XRP, and I'm thinking somewhere around to that $8 to $12 mark should be doable this cycle before we top out. And XLM on the monthly time frame, we're close to seeing a monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross as well. So if we can see that monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross play out over the next, call it several weeks and a couple of months, then I think that's going to be a nice go signal that we're probably going to see some nice momentum on XRP and on XLM. On the weekly time frame here, on XRP, you can see that we are back above the 10-week moving average. We just had a bull cross of the stochastic and the MACD, but the stochastic has since seen a bear cross, but it's basically just flat right now. No major signals there, but it's not looking too bad on the weekly time frame. We're still looking for that weekly 50 and 200 moving average bull cross. It still has yet to occur. So like I said, watching for monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross to occur on XLM, and then looking for this weekly 50 and 200 moving average bull cross. If we can get that monthly EMA 12 and 26 bull cross on XLM, and then this 50 and 200 weekly moving average bull cross on XRP, I think we're going to be going over $1 and potentially to all-time highs in a very short period of time. Something that we need to be wary of here is the daily time frame. So we could see a death cross with the 50 coming down through the 200-day moving average. If that were to be the case over the next couple of days, then like I said, we're probably due for a nice daily higher low at some point, somewhere around that 56 to 54 cent area. So gonna go, I'm looking after my daughter. She just woke up from a nap, so I'm gonna go check that out. But hopefully this video was helpful, and let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. But like I said, over the next couple of months, I think we're really going to see risk on appetite. We have the FOMC next week as well, and they're broadly known to that they're going to cut rates for the first time in multiple years. So we should see, in my opinion, at least 25 basis points, but they could even cut by 0.5% as well. And if they did that, then that's something that the market wouldn't really be expecting, and we could see a bullish reaction. If they come in with 25 basis points and 25% cut, then like most of the market and analysts and experts are expecting, then it could end up being a sell the news event. So we'll see. I think there could be multiple rate cuts toward the end of the year as well, but the biggest thing I'm going to be looking for is to see whether or not we get a 50 basis points, which I think is very, very possible. And if we do, I think there's going to be a massive bullish reaction to that. And then, like I say, crypto legislation, watching for the case versus Ripple and the SEC to potentially settle. And we know that the SEC has until October 7th to appeal. And it's starting to look like they probably won't. If they haven't done it yet, I can't see that they would. And to be honest, the charts are just absolutely ripe at the moment, looking like an explosion is just around the corner. So if I was a betting man, I would say that they're probably not going to appeal. But even if they did, that doesn't matter. That doesn't change the status of XRP in and of itself not being a security. They can't dispute that. So going to be an interesting few months ahead. Hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, smash the like. I would appreciate it. It's Rob with Power Group. Thanks again for joining us in the pursuit of wealth, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.